perhaps, if I may. As the fight wore on, he did a big job in the first round. He fought well. But about the fourth or fifth round, you say, what's the matter? Can I put this guy out again? Did it go through your head that you didn't repeat the first round anytime?
Nung dumarating na yung after ng first round, napabagsak mo siya, pero pagdating ng 2, 3, 4 rounds, hindi mo ba, ano bang feeling mo? Bakit hindi mo siya, hindi mo siya napapabagsak? Anong feeling mo nun?
You know, the problems in the second rounds is my hand started to hurt and my legs is got tight, so I start to attack him, and I'm very disappointed sa decision.
Emotionally, how do you feel?
Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon? Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon sa loob sa loob mo? Anong pakiramdam mo?
Masama ang loob ko at yun sa decision, pero tao na ang bahalang mag-decision, mag-judge.
The decision, he's very, very disappointed about the decision, but he feels that the people would judge what they saw.
How does he see it?
Anong sa tingin mo nanalo ko ba o hindi?
For me, I believe that I won the fight, and the people knows that. I leave to the people who win the fight.
Did Juan Manuel ever have you hurt?
Nasaktan ka ba ni Juan Manuel?
No, I didn't feel that he hurt me. I felt my hands and my legs. It's really hurt. Starting second rounds until to 12 rounds.
Why do you feel like your legs started going in the second round so early, after you had him hurt 3 times in the first round?
Bakit mo naramdaman na sumakit yung paa mo? Ano nangyari sa paa mo nung second round, nung pinabagsak mo siya ng first round, bakit agad sumakit ng paa mo?
Yung medyas na ginamit ko manipis at nagkaroon ng putok yung paa ko.
Okay, the socks that he used was thin, so he had blister. He had a big blister.
Blisters in my
on his foot. Big blister.
Do you think that you hurt your hand in the first round? I mean, you knocked him down 3 times. Is that when you think you hurt your hand?
Sa tingin mo ba nung sa first round, nung pinabagsak mo siya ng 3 beses, doon nasaktan yung kamay mo?
Oh, nung first round. So, I thought the 3 knockdown rolls is in effect this fight, but did not allow the 3 knockdown rolls.
How surprised were you that after 3 knockdowns in the first round, he was able to come back and pull something out of this fight?
Gaano ka kasurpresa na pagkatapos ng 3 beses mo siya pinabagsak, bumalik pa siya? Bakit nasurpresa ka ba? Na bumalik pa siya after na pinabagsak mo siya 3 beses?
I'm surprised because there's no time left. And in the second round, I felt bad my hands. Feel bad my hands.
Do you ever feel that the referee should have stopped the fight in the first round?
Sa tingin mo ba yung referee dapat sinara yung in-stop na yung laban? Yung first round?
Sa tingin ko nung first round, nung bumagsak na siya, nakahiga na, akala ko i-stop na ng referee.
Nung the first round, he felt that when the third time that he fell down and he was lying down on the ropes, he thought that the referee should stop the fight. Should have stopped the fight rather.
What are his immediate plans now?
Ano bang plano mo sa ngayon?
Besides a long rest.
Siguro papahinga, tuloy ang ensayo, pero hindi muna mag-iis para jogging lang.
Well, right now he's just gonna continue to jog, and stay in condition, but no sparring yet.